Hi, as const will make your object immutable, and Typescript will know the exact type and value of the object property because it's immutable. So let me show you. We have a customer and super customer, and super customer is with const. Because in JavaScript, objects are passed by reference and not by value, we can actually change, even we are saying that is a constant, but we can change a value of an age to 20. But when we are trying to change the reference, there will be an error. So in this case, because we cannot change a reference. But with as const, it's a little bit different because the TypeScript will automatically add read-only to all the properties. We cannot change to another value. So here we will get an error because age is only read-only property. Another example is this is like a constant, but because it's passed by reference, TypeScript doesn't know the value. So in this case, it just assumes it's a number. But with as const, because it's a constant, you cannot change it, and it knows exactly that the value is 50. And as const works with arrays. So let me create it as an array. In this case, we also cannot change the value of the first element, but TypeScript will know that the value of the first element will be 50. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.